Fresh parts of the plants called herbs and dried parts known as spices are most often used for flavoring and seasonings. But do you know that spices can do wonders to your health? In our today's video, we are going to talk about some common spices that are having miraculous health properties. So let's get into the video and see which herb is having the most powerful health benefits. Hello everyone, welcome to BCG Health. Today we are having a lot of spices in our kitchen and we even forget to use them. But in the Middle Ages, spices were as precious as gold and other gems and were only used by the rich people of society. Back in those days, a single pound of saffron would cost as much as a horse. A pound of ginger was worth of a sheep and 2 pounds of mace was as expensive as a cow. I'm referring to these animals because in medieval ages, animals were more expensive, like cars and big houses these days. Reason for these higher prices was not only the cost of transport, but also their potential health benefits. In this video, we will discuss 12 different kinds of spices and herbs, including black pepper, cloves, cinnamon, chia seeds, mint, saffron, rose petals, cardamom, coriander, rosemary and sage along with their benefits and how they add flavor to your food. Before we begin, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon for regular updates. So let's get started. Black pepper. Black pepper, the most common spice, comes from peppercorns and is often deemed as a king of spices. It's popular for its antioxidant properties as well as its effectiveness against chronic medical conditions like cardiovascular diseases. It helps in digestion of food as well as increases the absorption of nutrients like calcium and selenium. Black pepper, due to the presence of a compound called piperine, is able to fight with the free radicals that are produced during exercise and when we eat food consisting of fats and oils. They damage your cells and actually cause aging at cellular level. Black pepper not only helps in lowering bad cholesterol, but also scavenges free radicals. For people who eat fatty food a lot, shouldn't hesitate to sprinkle some black pepper powder to create a balance in their food. But if you're having some kind of kidney stones, don't overdose black pepper as they're loaded with oxalates and they also increase your calcium absorption, which is good otherwise but not for kidney patients. Thyme. Delicate looking but having the strongest fragrance, thyme is used for many purposes in cooking and medicine. Thyme is primarily used for its antibacterial and anti-inflammatory properties, which makes it best for beauty purposes. Thyme oil is effective against acne and cures it by fighting with bacteria that are responsible for causing acne. Thyme is also antifungal, so it's great in fighting against fungi that causes dandruff. Applying thyme oil to your scalp not only improves the blood circulation, but it also clears out the dirt or dandruff that has accumulated in your scalp and is blocking nutrition to hair. Good proportion of vitamin C in thyme also makes it great for skin. You can use thyme oil on your skin as well as for your hair growth or attaining desired hair thickness. Thyme oil can also be used to make thyme tea as it's a natural remedy to cough and even chronic respiratory tract infections. Cloves. Cloves are native to China and are used worldwide for their exceptional health benefits. Strong brown color of cloves is due to the significant amount of beta-carotene they contain, making it great for eye health. Now back in those ages when people were not familiar with anesthetics, cloves were popular for their use against toothache and other body pains. It was later discovered that cloves are natural anesthetics as they contain eugenol, which helps in easing tooth pain. Eugenol is now widely used in dentistry for its anesthetic properties. If you occasionally have toothache, you can directly place clove on the affected teeth and it will relieve your pain in seconds. Cinnamon. Cinnamon basically comes from the bark of a cinnamon tree that grows up to 60 feet. It was previously used as a natural food preservative due to its antibacterial properties. Cinnamon is being studied for its anti-diabetic effects. It mimics the action of insulin and improves insulin resistance in people with type 2 diabetes. It also interferes with the digestive enzymes and regulates the amount of glucose entering in body cells after a glucose-rich meal. Cinnamon can be ground to powder and used in tea as well as sprinkled on toast. Chia seeds. Chia seeds can give you sheer amount of nutrients with a few calories. They are incredibly high in fiber, protein and minerals like calcium and magnesium. To make it clearer, take the total fiber of banana, which is 6 grams in 200 grams of mashed banana. While for chia seeds, it's almost 10 grams of fiber in just 2 tablespoons of chia seeds. If you're having constipation, chia seeds can be of great use as they bind 12 times more water than their weight and form a kind of soluble gel or fiber which gives bulk to the stool and also increases the lubrication. Drinking chia seeds soaked in water can do wonders to your health, and you'll notice the change in a week or so. 17% of your daily recommended calcium dose can come from chia seeds from only 2 tablespoons. It's also rich in phosphorus and magnesium, which makes it an excellent supplement for bone health. Mint. Mint has been used throughout the history for several health benefits. It has a fresh yet pungent flavor and aroma that is extremely soothing to the senses. That is why people have been using it in dishes, medicines, for stomach problems, weight loss and much more. Now there are various types of mint with different properties including antioxidant qualities. It is used for the gastrointestinal issues including indigestion, irritable bowel syndrome, bloating, and feelings of sickness after surgery by working against microbes and relaxing the muscles. It also helps control inflammation in such cases, and it is known to reduce the symptoms of asthma due to the presence of antioxidant and anti-inflammatory compounds. Mint also contains menthol, which is an aromatic decongestant. This helps in clearing up phlegm and breaking up mucus and making it easier to get rid of. We can also use the stems and leaves in cooking as the stem causes the flavor to be more potent. Saffron. Saffron is an extravagant herb to add to your daily routine. It is said to have numerous benefits, and each thread is harvested by hand, which is why it's one of the most expensive spices in the world. Now coming to its benefits, it contains antioxidants just like in mint that help in relieving oxidative stress and inflammation in the body. Oxidative stress causes many types of cancers and cardiovascular diseases, so antioxidants can help to prevent that. Saffron also helps in improving mood and relieving depression. Studies show that taking 30 mg of saffron each day has the same effect on alleviating depression as antidepressants. Saffron has also been widely popular in reducing the appetite, which then aids in weight loss. It has medicinal properties like antibacterial and anti-inflammatory, which can be used for treating acne and breakouts. Now it's important to know how much saffron you can take in a day without having any side effects. You should take up to 1.5 grams of saffron each day, but more than 5 grams is considered to be a toxic dose. Rose petals. Rose petals are often treated casually, but they can be the best choice of herbs you'll ever make. They have a soothing fragrance along with many positive health benefits. Now starting with benefits, they are rich in vitamin C, which when applied to skin can cause dry skin cells to vanish and provide you with fresh, firm and soft skin. Vitamin C does this by improving the collagen production of skin, which gives skin a youthful glow. Coming back to the scent, which provides you relaxation when going through a rough time and instantly cause your moods to be lifted. This is why rose fragrance is used in many essential oils and soup bars. We already have talked about how it's good for our skin, but they also have anti-inflammatory and antibacterial properties which reduces acne and pimples. Rose petals can also known to help with common cold due to decongestant antioxidants present in it. These antioxidants also help in improving any digestive issues. These really cheap petals can do wonders to your health, so waste no time to add them to your morning and night routine in the form of rose water or fresh rose petals. Cardamom. Cardamom is a spice which has been used immensely in Asia for decades. Cardamom has a lot of anti-inflammatory compounds which protect cells against damage, which is actually a cause of inflammation. Studies have shown that cardamom can lessen inflammation up to 90%. Cardamom helps in fighting heart diseases as well due to the antioxidants present in it. It also helps in lowering blood pressure and prevents cancer formation. They also have a diuretic effect, which is eliminating excess water that builds up in your body. Cardamom is also being used as a remedy for bad breath and improving oral health by eliminating bacteria from your mouth. Hence, chewing a piece may not be a bad idea. It helps in relieving discomfort, nausea, vomiting, and is also known to heal ulcers. Coriander. Coriander is another herb used in Asian culture quite frequently. It is filled with vitamin K, which helps cure osteoporosis and clots blood. It also has the effects of diuretics and lowers bad cholesterol, which is due to the presence of antioxidants. This helps the body process sugar better and has the blood sugar lowering effect. So diabetics should add this in their diet. Coriander can be freely added to any vegetable or meat curry just like regular vegetable leaves. It adds fragrance as well as extra nutrition to the meal. Rosemary. Rosemary is basically used for treating type 2 diabetes and improving lipid profile and insulin resistance in humans. It should be taken in a controlled quantity, which is 2 grams per liter of water in a single day, which means rosemary should be diluted and you can add small amount in other beverages. Studies have shown that consuming controlled amount of rosemary reduced BMI and waist to hip ratio. It's a good option to take when you are dieting as it helps in weight loss. Sage. Sage has shown improvements in mood, mental function and memory. It also improves your health and clears plaque, which is crucial for your oral health as well as improving sore throat. It also eliminates cancer risk with a compound called cortisol, which can kill several types of cancer cells without affecting healthy body cells. Sage is sometimes used to treat nausea in pregnant women, hence taking it during and after pregnancy can help you greatly, especially if you're losing weight through intermittent fasting. It may also reduce hot flashes in menopausal women. That's all of today. These were 12 herbs and spices that you can add to your daily routine. But remember not to add them together. You can use few at a time. In an average Indian family, 6 to 7 herbs are used on a regular basis while cooking, and 25 herbs on special occasions. Let us know in the comment section which was your favorite herb and spice and which herbs you're already using. Turn in for another video on obesity health and don't forget to like, share and subscribe.